What's up, everybody? We're back for another video tour. We're at 514 East Anderson in one of my favorite East Side Savannah locations. You're talking 8 blocks from Forsyth Park, right around the corner from Skad's Anderson Hall. You're also right around the corner from one of my favorite Savannah restaurants, Caught and Rye. If you're by there, tell my boy Zach, the owner, that I sent you. All right, but enough about the location. Let's go. Let's check out this property. All right, we're inside East Anderson right now. When you walk in, you're gonna go right to the right into the formal living room. You've got your fireplace, big 2 double French doors that just pour in that natural light. Open concept is what I would want to call this downstairs. So you got big door entries here that flow right into your dining room and then right into your also open kitchen design. All updated gray cabinetries, updated cabinets, updated countertops, everything that you could want in a downstairs living space. Right off the kitchen, we're gonna go right out to your backyard. So come on with me. All right, so right out of the kitchen, you land right onto a nice cozy back porch, but also one of the most important parts of this property to me is the off-street parking. In Savannah, off-street parking is key. Here you've got 2 off-street parking spots, but the potential for more is just pouring out. Because my thoughts are you can have 2 spots on the ground, build up, maybe have a carriage house up above for that needed passive residual income. So come on inside, let's go check the rest of it and then head up. All right, I hope you're just as excited as I am with the potential of that back, but the off-street parking potential of the carriage house. Let's go, finish out the ground level. Here you've got a pantry, laundry room, but through this space, through the hallway, you're gonna have your 1 full bathroom downstairs, all updated, all white, clean. All right, all down on the ground level. Let's head upstairs where all the bedrooms are at, also with the 2nd full bathroom. All right, we're upstairs now where, like they said, all the magic happens. 3 bedrooms, 1 full bath, but let's go right in on the top of the right to the 1st bedroom. Spin around, let's go right into bedroom 2. You've got your walk-in closet, you've got 2 big natural lights just pouring in once again. All right, cool, so bed 1, bed 2. Now let's walk right into the master suite. And remember, like I talked about out back, when I was talking about the potential of that carriage house, rental income, when you come through into the closet, you literally have so much potential. You've got a nice office suite, but back here, you've got this long walkway that you can make your beautiful walk-in closet, whatever your heart desires. Okay, bed 1, bed 2, bed 3. Now come on up all the way through the 2nd full bathroom, all updated, white tile up, white tile down, double vanity.